Why do hiccups show up uninvited? Like that one friend who never knocks? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, spasms out of nowhere. That makes you suck in air suddenly, and your vocal cords slam shut. Hic! That sound? It's literally your body glitching. But here's the silly why. Some scientists think it's a leftover reflex from when we had gills. Yeah, gills. So your hiccup might be your inner fish saying sup. Next time, why do we get goosebumps? Is your skin secretly trying to look tough? Follow for more weird whys because your body is weirder than your browser history.